How much is a Sony TV 43 inches? A 43-inch Sony TV offers a great balance of screen size and affordability, providing high-quality visuals and smart features for medium-sized rooms. The price of a 43-inch Sony TV varies based on the model, resolution, and additional features like smart capabilities, HDR support, and display technology. 1. Price range of Sony 43-inch TVs. The cost of a 43-inch Sony TV typically falls within these ranges. Basic Full HD models, $350 to $500. 4K UHD models, $500 to $900. Premium models HDR Smart TV, advanced features, $800 to $1,200. 2. Different Sony 43-inch TV models and their pricing. Sony offers a variety of 43-inch models with different features. Sony KDL 43W660E, a full HD model with basic smart features, priced from $350 to $500. Sony Bravia X75K KD 43X75K, a 43-inch 4K UHD model with Google TV and HDR support, typically priced between $500 to $700. Sony Bravia X80K KD 43X80K, a premium 4K UHD model with Dolby Vision, better picture processing, and Google TV, priced from $700 to $900. Sony Bravia X90K KD 43X90K, high-end 4K model with full array LED, higher brightness, and enhanced motion handling, priced from $900 to $1,200. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Sony 43-inch TV is influenced by several factors. Resolution: 4K models tend to be more expensive than full HD models. Smart features: models with Google TV streaming services and voice control, e.g. Google Assistant, are generally priced higher. HDR and picture processing: TVs with HDR10, Dolby Vision, and X-Reality PRO picture enhancement will be at the higher end of the price spectrum. Audio features: models with Clear Audio Plus or Dolby Atmos sound may also add to the price. 4th best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Sony 43-inch TV, consider purchasing during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Huge discounts on electronics during these events. Holiday sales: Christmas, New Year, and seasonal sales often offer good deals. Clearance sales: older models may be discounted when new models are released. Retailer-specific promotions: some stores offer bundle deals, trade-in discounts, or financing options to save money. A 43-inch Sony TV offers a great viewing experience, with models catering to various budgets and needs. By comparing features and shopping during sales, you can find the best deal for your entertainment setup.